Israeli soldiers and Palestinian police patrolling jointly the outskirts of the West Bank town of Ramallah. Our work continues as usual, he says. There aren't any special problems. If there are problems, we try to solve them together. As mutual Palestinian and Israeli suspicions grow, this is one visible remnant of the sagging peace partnership. During a series of meetings at his Gaza headquarters, Palestinian leader Yasser Arafat indicated he's despairing, however, of the relationship with the Israeli government. To step up the pressure on Israel to abandon a series of controversial decisions he says violates the peace process, Arafat is convening an international conference in Gaza on Saturday.
To protect the peace process and to let them carry the responsibility of the peace process.
Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, winding up a visit to Russia, is angered by the accusations it's Israeli actions that are hurting peace.
I'm getting, frankly, fed up with the idea that everything that we do is a violation of the agreement, and everything that the Palestinians say is compliance with the agreement. That is not the case.
The Israelis argue that turning to the international community is a violation of the peace accords.
If the Palestinians are serious about peace, let them sit down with us. If they're serious about airing their differences, let them sit down with us.
Arafat's international initiative is aimed at inducing Israel to increase the scope of its promised handover of West Bank land and to hold up on plans to build a disputed new Jewish housing project here on Jerusalem's southeastern outskirts. The Israelis haven't been invited to the meeting and are busy seeking to convince others to stay away. Among those with whom Foreign Minister David Levy discussed the objections was U.S. Ambassador to Israel, Martin Indyk. The Americans seem willing to aggravate their ally further by indicating they will send a participant to the Gaza meeting, but sought to assure Israel the meeting is not a threat.
We do not see it as an alternative forum in any way whatsoever to the process of direct negotiations between Israel and the Palestinians.
Arafat's call for international intervention is aimed partly at offsetting the mounting domestic pressure on him. A special session of the Palestinian Council has been called for Thursday to insist he stand firm. But the Israeli leader is also under increasing pressure from within his own right-wing coalition. And the two conflicting pressures could well meet head-on this coming weekend. Gerald Kessel, CNN, Jerusalem.